Hi, I'm Tawana Stone, and this is the Photo Factory. I have been in this industry for 26 years now. I started out working on camera, doing commercial work and doing industrial films and doing print. I worked in New York for a while and took everything that I learned from my years of being in front of the camera, and now I'm working behind the camera, directing and working with models that I represent. We have a lot of fun. You should join us.
Hi, my name is Michaela Walton, and before I came to the Photo Factory, I wasn't really sure about all my poses or even clothing that would work really well for a photo shoot. And so with this, I was able to do 3 different looks, and Tawana was able to critique me and make me feel more confident about my poses.
My name is Kendra Woodard, and this is my first time at the Photo Factory. I'm so excited. Tawana has been such an amazing help, and I did better than I thought I was going to do. I've had so much fun. I really enjoyed my day. So that's what I have to say about the Photo Factory. It's awesome about that.
Hi, I'm Lisa Davis, and I participated in the Photo Factory workshop today. Thoroughly enjoyed myself. I learned a lot about how to move my body for print, which looks natural in the picture and actually doesn't feel natural when you're doing it sometimes. But I made new friends. I learned how to move more for print. I enjoyed every aspect of it, from the makeup and preparation through the shoot, and now I can't wait for the pictures. So, yeah, it was great.
Hi, I'm Alicia Schultz with Houghton Talent, and today we're on the set of Photo Factory. And Tawana sent this out to me, suggesting that it might be something that I would be interested in. And I really wanted to take this opportunity to get some updated photos and just take the chance to listen to her and learn from her, since she has been in the print industry for a while. And I've done some print, but it was really exciting and such a great experience to get direction from Tawana and the rest of the team. And it was just such a fun and fabulous day. I can't say enough good things about the team. And if you guys are thinking about possibly doing this, I would say it would be for sure worth the investment. And you're only bettering yourself and your marketing materials. So yeah, great day. Thank you.
My name is Levin Jarrett. I am 15 years old and I am a sophomore. I participated in the Photo Factory workshop through Tawana and Houghton Talent, and I had such a great time today. I learned so much stuff and I met a ton of cool people. I learned about lighting today, and I learned that if you bring ballet shoes, make sure you are a ballerina. I learned that, just better ways to position yourself and, keep your chin down and stuff like that. And I learned just to have fun, and it will turn out okay. Everyone was so nice, and can't wait to do it again.
My name is Shay Slater. I'm the makeup artist here, and I've worked with Tawana for about a year now. Oh my God, it's so much that I love about doing these photo shoots. The very first thing that comes to mind is the people that I get to interact with every single time. The models are impeccably talented, polite, professional. I love the team always, from the photographers to hair, makeup of course, and obviously our direction from our wonderful agent, Ms. Tawana Stone. I just love it. The atmosphere is superb.
I'm Elliot Liss. I'm the photographer at Photo Factory. I had a really great time shooting today. Everything went well, and what I liked most about it was that everybody was nice and nobody complained, and things ran smoothly, and everything went just the way it was supposed to.